Hi, this is Visi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to show NSFW content on Reddit. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to be updated about this channel. So let's go. NSFW stands for Not Safe for Work and typically refers to content that is adult, explicit, violent, or otherwise inappropriate to view in public or professional settings. This can include nudity, profanity, drugs, weapon gambling, or other major topic. The opposite of this content is SFW, which you guessed it stands for Safe for Network. So Reddit use a system to flag posts as adult content, and user or moderator can label content as such. The entire subreddit or account may also be marked adult if their content consistently falls into these categories. So what if you want to show this kind of content on your Reddit? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Reddit. You can open it on your mobile phone or on the website. You can log in into your account. After that, you can go to settings by click on your profile in here. Click on settings. From here, you can go to preferences. Click on preferences. Now, on the content section, you'll find there is an option show mature content. I'm over 18. So you can just enable by click on the toggle in here. To update your setting to show mature content, you can confirm you are over 18. After updating, you can visit your setting at any time you hide mature content again. Now you can click on yes in here. So now we have enabled the mature content or NSFW content on your Reddit. It's very simple, right? And so that is how to show mature content on your Reddit. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!